Hello South Africa. Gauteng government is looking to hire 6,000 people to fix potholes. Gauteng Premier Panyaza Lesufi is set to employ 6,000 people to fix potholes in the province. According to The Citizen, Lesufi made the announcement on Sunday, May 14 in Dobsonville during the provincial government's initiation of the Green Army, a cleaning and greening expanded public works program. The Green Army will conduct cleanups, collect waste from households, recyclable and non-recyclable, support waste pickers, and recycle buyback centers. They will also provide environmental support through greening initiatives. The South African previously reported that the Gauteng Provincial Legislature's Portfolio Committee on Community Safety welcomed the newly launched crime-fighting unit on April 1 by Lesufi. 3,000 reported for duty after 3 months of training. This is the first cohort of the 6,000 wardens. This government-led initiative is more like a replica of what was historically known as street committees, where community members organized themselves to provide safety and security in their neighborhoods. Unlike street committees, this initiative is government-led and funded, and the committee is concerned that there seemed to be an over-reliance on government to provide peace and security in communities and that there is little being done by residents to assist government in fighting crime, committee chairperson, Bandile Masuku said. Speaking to his The Green Army, Lesufi promised to extend their contracts if they do what they're supposed to be doing. I want to give you this promise: if you do what you are going to do, I'm going to add 6 months more in your contracts. I am granting you an additional 6 months so that you can continue your work in our communities, said Lesufi. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.